Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Before you even think about the pan, let's get that steak ready. Choose a good quality cut, like a nice ribeye or sirloin. The most important step here is letting it come to room temperature for about 30 minutes. This helps it cook more evenly, preventing a cold center. Then, season both sides generously with plenty of salt and freshly ground black pepper, really giving it flavor. Now for the pan. You'll want a heavy-bottomed pan. A cast-iron skillet is perfect for this. Place it over medium-high heat and let it get really, really hot until you see just a wisp of smoke. Then, add a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, just enough to coat the bottom. This ensures a beautiful, crusty sear. Time to cook. Carefully place your seasoned steak into that super hot pan. You should hear a satisfying sizzle right away. Let it sear undisturbed for 2 to 4 minutes per side, depending on how thick your steak is. This initial sear is key for developing that amazing, deeply browned crust we all love. Try not to move it around too much, just let it do its magic. Once both sides have a good sear, reduce the heat to medium. Now, add a generous knob of butter, a few smashed garlic cloves, and some fresh rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan slightly and continuously spoon that melted, aromatic butter right over your steak. Keep basting it until it reaches your preferred doneness. A meat thermometer is always your best friend here. This final step is crucial, don't skip it. Once your steak is cooked, immediately transfer it to a cutting board or a plate. Now, tent it loosely with foil and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, keeping it incredibly tender and juicy. After resting, slice your steak against the grain and prepare to enjoy a truly perfect meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.